kids, I'm going to show you today how we can use doubling and halving as a strategy to help us solve the 5 times tables. Now, let's have a think about the 10 times tables for a start. The 10 times tables is really easy because if we have a question like 10 times 2, we know that equals 20, so we're just adding a 0 onto the end of the 2 to make it 10 times bigger. And if we have a question like 10 times 4, we know that equals 40. Again, we're just adding a 0 onto the end of the 4 here to make it 10 times greater. Now, let's have a look at how we can use this 10 times table to help us to work out the 5 times table. So, if we halve this 10 here and make it 5, and if we double this 2 and make it 4, I've got the equation now 5 times 4. Now 5 times 4 also equals 20. So I halved the 10, and made it 5, and I doubled the 2 and made it 4. Okay, so let's use that strategy to help us work out some 5 times tables. So I have got the question 5 times 6. And I'm going to use my double and half strategy to help me work that out. So if I double the 5 and make it 10, and if I halve the 6 and make it 3, 5 times 6 is the same as going 10 times 3. 10 times 3, that's easy to answer. I know that equals 30. Therefore, 5 times 6 must also equal 30. And let's have a look at one more example. So another 5 times table. This time I'm going to do 5 times 8. I don't know the answer to that instantly, but if I double the 5 and make it 10, and if I halve the 8 and make it 4, 5 times 8 is the same as going 10 times 4, and I know that 10 times 4 equals 40. So 5 times 8 must also equal 40.